Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page name. So let's go to our Facebook, open your Facebook, then you click on this menu button, and I've already teach you on one of our tutorial how to switch from one page to another page. So this is the page I wanted to change the name of this page. So now I'm on the page now, so I'm going to click on this. Okay, you scroll down here and click on the settings and privacy one, then you click on your settings. When you click on your settings, it's going to be there, and you see this personal details here. Click on personal details and you click on the profile here. Look at this, click on the profile, then you click on the profile again, and this is it. Is it the name you want to change? Is it the username? Is it the profile picture you want to put an avatar? So I want to change the name of this Facebook page that I am now. So I'm going to click on the name here, and this is it. I'll be able to change the name, everything here very easily. You can see it is very easy. So you can just say a few change now, because I don't do any changes here. So I'm going to go back. If I want to change the username of this page now, I'll go back here now, then I'll click on the username, then I'll be able to change the username here. So but this username was given to me by Facebook, so I'm not going to change this username now. So it's very easy to change your Facebook page name. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.